Hi, this lesson's from page 475 in your student book. And it says you'll be able to use the tangent ratio to find the missing measures of a right triangle. So the essential question is, what is a tangent relationship? Here's the formula, and it says tangent of angle, measure of angle A, so this is our angle symbol for A, can be found by making a ratio of the measure of the leg opposite from A over the measure of the leg next to angle A. All right, so here's an example. Now let's just go part by part here. The first one says, find the tangent for angle A. So the formula is, what is right across from angle A? 15. And what is right next to angle A? 12. So you create a relationship or a ratio. 15 over 12 is 1.25, or 1 and 25 hundredths. And then your book will say, explain what that means. And you would write it as, the side opposite from angle A is 1 and 25 hundredths times as long as the side next to angle A. Then your book wants you to do both angles in each problem. So here's the tangent for angle B. Again, you would say, what is opposite from B? 12 over what is next to angle B? 15. Then divide that on your calculator and you get 8/10. So you would write in your homework, the side opposite from angle B is 8/10 times the side next to angle B. And that's your tangent relationship for each angle. Here's another one. The first one is the tangent for angle T. So first think, what is opposite from T? 6. Over what is next to T? 7. And then divide that on the calculator and you get 857 thousandths. And please remember that we're only talking about the legs of a right triangle. You would never use the hypotenuse from the triangle. You would just use the legs. And the legs are what's on either side of the right angle. Then to explain it, you would explain it by saying the side opposite from angle T is 857 thousandths times as long as the side next to angle T. And again, just the legs, never the hypotenuse. And then continuing on, here you would say the tangent of angle V, opposite is 7, next to it is 6. Change that in your calculator and you get 1 and 167 thousandths, and then the describing is the same. The side opposite from angle V is 1 and 167 thousandths times as long as the side adjacent to it. All right, then this one's interesting because here you're given the degrees in the angle and asked to find the side. So set it up the same. The tangent of W, notice because we're trying to find one of the legs and we're given the adjacent. The tangent of W is the tangent of 40 because that's our angle that we're given. And that's equal to X opposite from 40 over Y, the adjacent to angle W. Then just continue processing. You'd want to get that 5 to the left-hand side of the equation. So you say multiply this side times 5, and the 5's cancel out. Now you have X alone. And if you multiply this side times 5, you have to multiply the other side times 5. And now you're going to have, your calculator should have a tangent button. And so you'll write, or you'll type in your calculator tangent 40, and they'll give you a decimal. and then multiply it times 5, and you'll get the length of the other side, 4 and 1900ths. And that's it for our video. I hope you enjoyed the tangent, and that will be our lesson in this time when I see you again. Great job.